Hey guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, so today's video, since we're in the kitchen, we are doing a keto low-carb recipe. It is a frittata, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, first and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I want to say thank you so very much. If you are not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button, the notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any videos. First thing, you make any kind of frittata you want. I am doing it on a sheet pan, so it'll be very thin and hopefully good because that's what I'm serving. Alright, let's talk about the ingredients. Red, yellow, and orange peppers, mozzarella cheese, tomatoes, I had a few extra left over, and baby spinach. So that is, and then there's going to be herbs. So I'm going to go to my herb garden. I'm going to put flat leaf parsley and some basil in there as well. So I'm going to chop that up, and I think it should be good. Obviously you need eggs, and we are also going to use ricotta cheese. There's the peppers. By the way, if you're cutting a lot of tomatoes, or even not a lot of tomatoes, this is my little hack. Just be careful. Use your hand and go flat. So there's like, I don't know, 9 of them here. And then take the knife and run it right along. I'm using a serrated knife, and look at that. You just cut a whole bunch of them at one time. And so that's my little hack to get a lot of tomatoes cut. Oh, come back here. In a short amount of time. You could use a little plate, but I've been doing this a long time. We're gonna layer in some salt and some pepper, and I'm gonna pour this lovely peppers into a little ramekin. I'm spilling them everywhere. Okay. A little more olive oil. I love olive oil. You guys can see me, right? Okay, and then I'm gonna do spinach. Now spinach, y'all know, we're gonna put a bunch in here and it's gonna wilt down to nothing. Add a little salt. So we've got that. We've got our tomatoes. I'm just gonna stick them in a little ramekin. It doesn't take long. I'm going to take this one out because that's how fast it is. Everything's prepped. We have our ricotta, our mozzarella, tomatoes, peppers, and our spinach. This is parsley that I have chopped up, and then I have beautiful fresh basil leaves from my garden. Let's go ahead and make the egg batter, right? The eggs. All right, egg batter. The reason I'm over on this side is because I can just toss it into the garbage. So I'm going to start using 8 eggs. I figure that should be very good. I'm going to take that little whisk that I used, and I'm going to beat the heck out of these eggs. I'm going to add pepper, lots and lots and lots of pepper. We're going to leave that out because I need more. In goes the parsley, some ricotta, and I'm going to put a dollop in those eggs and get that incorporated. Baking sheet, this is a small baking sheet because again, I'm making a couple hors d'oeuvres and it's just a few of us. So I'm going to go ahead now and add the peppers. The peppers are going to disperse. The peppers are cool to the touch, okay? You don't want to put hot peppers in. Go, okay. Fingers crossed, you guys. I want this to be pretty. Here we go. Oh man, did I call that? 8 eggs. A little flecks of ricotta. Everything's in there. It looks beautiful. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to take the spinach first, and I'm just going to lay that out. I just want to make sure that every piece is going to get a little piece of spinach. Same skillet as the spinach, a little bit of olive oil, salt, you know, a little bit of pepper. Okay, and then while we're over here, I'm going to pepper the frittata. Okay. Just a little bit. So it looks rustic. So it's not, I'm almost crumbling it. That's probably the best word for it. So I chopped it all up, but really, I'm not going to use that much. Okay, now let's take some of that beautiful basil, and I'm just putting the leaves ever so gently. The great thing is when you pick the tiny leaves off the top, more basil grows. Our frittata is done. In fact, it smells divine. All the water is gone. So this is just beautiful. Beautiful frittata. Cool. And then I will cut it up and we'll present it with some fresh basil, maybe some parsley. Frittata is finished. All I did was do a little bit of sour cream, a little bit of pepper, just whipped it, and then I just put it on a charcuterie board. So super cute, and by the way, scrumptious. All right, you guys, so that's it, my low carb keto frittata. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, take a few minutes, hit that thumbs up. As always, that helps me so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.